Hello, Capricorn. Welcome back. This is our English reading for February, love reading for the sign of Capricorn. And first, we will draw a card. This has been pre-shuffled. This is Amor et Psyche, and this is a love deck. Oh, soft whispers. Speak softly. In what ways can you speak with love or speak in a place of love? How can you be gentle with your words? And perhaps this is also an affirmation that you are in a relationship with mutual respect, trust, and good communication. So if you are not in a relationship, perhaps you might, if you're in a relationship and you're seeking for a relationship, perhaps the universe is telling you to use those words, be mindful with those words. How do you speak with yourself? How do you speak with others? How can you speak softly or say things from a place of love so that you can attract the kind of love that that will not demand so much from you? Are you too blunt with your communication? Communication is everything. And your tone sets the mood of the conversation. Tone is everything. Sometimes it doesn't matter what the words are, but if spoken nicely or it's spoken in the right way, in a spoken in a from a place of love, then I don't want to say it, but that's what popped up in my mind. Then you could get what you want. Say it nicely and you'll get it. A period of rest. Very, very Capricorn. Why do I feel like Capricorn here is very much focused on his or her career, building an empire, building a solid foundation when it comes to career, building, enjoying an abundant kind of life, enjoying all the fruits of his or her labor. Taking a period of I don't see the hermit here, but I feel like you are in a period of rest. Perhaps something in the most recent past has burned you out. And so it just got the best of you. See, another pentacles. This is you, Capricorn. Enjoying your castle. You have built a castle. You don't want to spend some more. You are taking care of your finances and you have a very good relationship with your finances. Why do I feel that there is some fear here? I don't know, fear of putting yourself out there, fear of trying something new, fear of speaking softly, fear of speaking softly because you feel that you are less authentic when you Speak softly. Woo, nice reunion. Capricorn, you are soon to be reunited with, I don't know, a past fling. You are about to enter a partnership, a certain type of partnership wherein this partner is an exact mirror of you. It's like your he or she is like your better half. Look at them, twins. Could also be a same-sex partnership. For some of you, you may be traveling overseas. You may be exploring new paths abroad, and there would be a success. Success streak is for Capricorn. Maybe because Capricorn has taken his or her time to take a break. Fearful to. Why do I get this energy of fear? Fearful to confront something in someone in the past, an Aries individual, somebody is very authoritative, or somebody is like a dictator in your life. This doesn't necessarily have to be a person. This is an Aries born individual, but not necessarily. This could also be an energy of an authoritarian person, an authoritarian energy. Could be your work that is demanding so much time from you, and you are fearful to let it go. Perhaps you are fearful to you want some quality time for yourself, for your partner, for your family, but you can't let it go because you fear that work is life, and it has that strong hold on you. It's like it grabbed you by the neck that you just can't know. You can't say no to work. You can't say no to money. Sorry, Capricorn, but you can't say no to success. Success, you would have a successful streak with whatever you're doing, whatever you will do, soon do, or will do, or about to do, whatever. There is success when it comes to career, finances, and everything, perhaps health also. But the universe has other plans for you, and there's something that you really want to pursue, but it entails you putting yourself out there, perhaps traveling, or perhaps going against the grain, going against a group of people. Be careful, Capricorn, that this resting period will translate to apathy and withdrawal from the world. You may be hyper focused on building your career, but you are losing time for your family. You are very successful in whatever endeavor you bring yourself in, and you are about to enter into a new partnership or reunion with an old fling, an old flame, whoever. If this is not work related, if the authoritarian energy has nothing to do with work, it may have something to do with your ex who is hunting you. Your past, I don't know, for some of you, you may be in some sort of a legal battle with an ex. A conflict, an ex conflict, a past conflict is hunting you. Perhaps you have built a startup, perhaps you have built a company, and this has brought you abundance in your life. And for some of you, you have gained success as an influencer, as a vlogger, and you are now having a fair taste of bashers, of detractors. Capricorn cannot be stopped when it comes to success, but And they have a gift of not sweating the small stuff, or perhaps they are sweating the small stuff, and it will get into them. But the worst case is that it would burn them out. They wouldn't forgive and forget you, and they would just shut their door and not talk to you forever. So, with that said, in what ways, Capricorn, can you speak softly? Can you communicate, express your thoughts, express your mind in a way that is not hurtful to others? There is a group here, I don't know, mean girls, or I don't know, board of directors, fellow board of directors that are totally against you. I don't know if they are very envious of your success, but there is this group here that is totally different from how you would run things, different approach, as you, what you believe is totally different from their belief system. You could be whoever this past fling is, or if you are about to enter in a new loving relationship, perhaps their family and friends do not approve of you. This person could be an overseas, like a foreigner. This person could be a foreigner, somebody you've met overseas in one of your travels or in your future travels, and perhaps this person would want to invite you to live there overseas, or perhaps they would ask your hand in marriage, but the family disapprove of it, or perhaps they're still living with family, and they're still providing for the family. They're breadwinners and they can't afford to live with you because they feel obliged to provide for their family, for their parents, for their, I don't know, child from an ex. If you are dealing with a Capricorn, they could be married in the past, or they are breadwinners, and you are having a hard time to, I don't know, get away with them, to live overseas with them because they have responsibilities back home that they would not even consider leaving from. But Capricorn's plans are not yet set in stone. While they have all the finances or the resources that they need to provide for themselves, they don't want to touch their savings, or they don't even want to pursue one plan without a backup plan. So they're very cautious to proceed. Right now they don't want to think about it. Capricorn, I'm talking about Capricorn do not want to take risks that are not calculated. Capricorn is successful, but you, as a Capricorn, will not go out of your way to make risks that are, you're very risk averse when it comes to risk taking. They wouldn't take risks if money is involved or resources are involved, and they'd rather do nothing about it than to risk it all and have nothing in return. If you're Capricorn, somebody is trying to assert control over you. But I feel that no matter how people try to bring you down, you would still be successful in the end. The odds are in your favor, Capricorn. There are people who are hating you, or a fellow Capricorn is questioning your choices. Somebody is trying to leech or to, I don't know, Capricorn is very successful and abundant, and people are just leeching off. People are just the Capricorn I'm connecting with right now could be the breadwinner, and Capricorn wouldn't want to take any risk if this risk would entail getting them out of the situation and no longer be a breadwinner anymore. There are plans that are being made, and there are people who are intervening or not or hating on Capricorn, but Capricorn just doesn't care. They know the people they care about, and they will be successful no matter how you bring. The energies I'm getting here are oppression, authoritative, bullies. But Capricorn is strong. Capricorn has built her walls, his or her castle so strong. The foundation is so strong, no one can break it. And this is even success. At the end of it all, there would be a reunion of some sort of a partnership, making the choice. For some of you, Capricorn may be struggling with in-laws, and the in-laws are the bullies here. And if you're not a breadwinner, the in-laws are giving you a hard time. Some people are giving you a hard time, and as much as you want to detach from it, and as much as you have a solid plan, some people will just try to bring you down. But if you are a cross watcher, Capricorn will just forgive you, and Capricorn will move on with their lives. They wouldn't give a budge. So I guess I would have to leave it at that. Let's get don't forget your main energy. Perhaps this could also work as an advice. In what ways can you speak softly? In what ways can you whisper messages of love to the to the people you care about, so that it would not escalate into some sort of conflict that would that will mess up your resting phase, your resting period. What's your message for Capricorn, dear Oracle? Oracle message for Capricorn. Ooh, communion. Look at that. Being friends with all types of creatures, getting to know who your allies are, identify the people you trust, be that listening ear, empathize with people who hate you. That doesn't sound so encouraging, but it works all the time. Seek your trusted friends, and maybe you might want to share a part of yourselves. People or misunderstand you because you are not expressing, you are not showing your true self with them. Perhaps you are not talking. I'm not saying that you have to be talkative, but you have to you have built that wall around you, Capricorn. And you are not showing your vulnerable side, you're not showing your true self with others. And as much as you don't want to admit that, maybe that's the case. That's why people hate people they don't know. People may be hating you because they don't know. They want to get inside your heart, but you are not allowing them. So this communion, um, look at that. she is surrounded by multiple animals. I'm not saying that you have to befriend them all these people, but find your trusted allies. Find the people with whom you could open yourself up to, the people with whom you could ask about themselves. If you ask people about them, most likely they would open up as well. If you open yourself up to others, like share an experience, share your day, most likely people would also open up. You have to experience the communion of your belonging. Express your heart, Capricorn. This is the message for you. Open your heart. Okay, I guess I would have to leave it at that. Thank you for being here, Capricorn. I hope to see you next time. My name is A. See you soon. Bye.